Hello, my dear pharmacy friends. So, in this video, we are going to see the all the pharmaceutical walk-in interviews that are going to happen on 21st July. So, guys, please watch the video very carefully. Some images are not clear, I know, but you can know the information by visiting our Pharma Job page website through our WhatsApp groups. So, coming to the first vacancy is from Titan Laboratories for their formulation company in production, packing, quality control, and warehouse department. Minimum 2 years of experience is required, and the venue is the classic Varna Hotel. And next vacancy is from Arbindo Pharma. The interview venue is Hotel Manjira, Hyderabad, Bangalore Highway, Jadcherla, Telangana. For production OSD, 2 to 6 years of experience. So ITA, diploma, or degree candidates are eligible. So, friends, for walk-in interview, please carry the relevant documents, educational certificates, 3 months pay slips, and prepare a good resume of yourself. And coming to the next vacancy is from Sipla. So, walk-in interviews on 21st July, 9 a.m. onwards. 4 points by Sheraton. The venue is at indoor. So, guys, job location is indoor, and the interview venue is Andhra Pradesh. Walter Uplands, Andhra Pradesh, sterile production officer or operator, and national production officer or operator. Like that, the vacancies are there. Please check the notification. Those who are in Vizag. Next is from UZIA. So UZIA is hiring for a quality assurance IPQA production. 2 to 9 years of experience at UZIA Such Private Limited, Jadcherla, Telangana. And this is also on Sunday. Scan the QR code to register for the walk-in interview. You need to scan the QR code. Next is Arabindo QLA Pharma. So the current vacancy is for freshers, BSc, MSc, BTech candidates. So if you are interested in working in production department, you can share your details to the following mail ID even on the screen. So the next vacancy is Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited. They are looking for regulatory affairs US market experience 3 to 7 years. Location is Cadila Pharma, Dolka Plant, Ahmedabad. Guys, if you are interested, share your CV to dara.maru@cadillapharma.com. Next vacancy is Lambda Therapeutics and Novum. So this company is currently hiring for PV support, pharmacovigilance support officer or executive, B Pharma with 2 to 7 years of experience, and they are looking for immediate joiners. So coming to the next vacancy. For previous post, please search in their company's website or in LinkedIn for the link. And next vacancy is Sri Krishna Pharma. They are hiring for HR associates for talent acquisition. Any degree with MBA HR experience 2 to 6 years. Next is Biogenta Life Sciences Private Limited. They are hiring for quality management system injections manufacturing RAQC and freshers trainees. 10 vacancies are there for B Pharma MSc ITA. So share your resume to HR at the rate of biocenter.com. So next vacancy is for Hyderabad Bachpalli location. So tomorrow the vacancies are in QC Analytics, MSc in Life Sciences, QC Microbiology, and Drug Substance. 2 to 7 years of experience. Venue is Bachpalli, Hyderabad. Second vacancy is also for team member process development, process engineer in the same location from the same company. So you can scan the QR code to register yourself for the walk-in interview. So these are the details regarding the vacancies. There are several other vacancies. Guys, please subscribe to YouTube channel, who those who are watching without subscribing. So coming to the walk-in drive at indoor at Lupin Pharmaceuticals, they are looking for QC, OSD, and injectable formulation. Eligibility MSc B Pharma with 2 to 7 years of experience. The grade is officer. The venue is the Red Maple. And next vacancy is from Pellets Pharma. They are having vacancies for experienced candidates in FR&D, AR&D, manufacturing, information technology, QA and QC. Plant location is Pashamailaram, Patancherbu. So forward your CV to following mail ID provided on the screen. Next vacancy is from Arbindo. So they are hiring for production OSD technical assistants. So the venue is here, you can see Goa. So register yourself. I think already we have described this post. Next vacancy is the same company, Lifus. So this is a walk-in drive for fermentation production and microbiology EHS. Thank you.